Alright, today I want to show you how to compression test without being on the car. First off, you need a battery, a really fully charged battery, jumper cables. So the negative will go into any part of the negative on the frame, on the engine. I usually put it on the transmission bolt. Next is the positive. That goes into the starter. This is where the main 12 volt big 12 volt wire coming from the battery of your car. And the next thing is you have to get one of these starter switch. You can get them on Amazon. That goes into the positive of the battery, and the other end will go into this. This is where your starter relay wire goes to. So every time you crank the car, it's gonna give the signal 12 volt to this. So when I click this, the engine will crank. And usually what you want to do is put a flywheel on and then get a transmission bolt onto it. But since I have a beat up transmission, I just cut it off so that way I can compression my test on the fly when I'm at the engine place. So what I'm going to do is and then you hook up the cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it goes. That's it. And that's how you compression test the engine. What you want to do is you want to dry crank it first. I already did that already, so that way you can open up the valves and let the valves seated. And this is just a quick compression test for me when I go buy my engines. I want to do it on the spot. I want to know what's the engine is like before I buy it. So if it's bad, then I just tell the guy, hey, compression is bad. Alright, I hope this helps. Cylinder 1. Over 200. Cylinder number 2. Cylinder 3. Cylinder 4.